boys and girls. In Letterland today, we are starting a new unit. Before we begin, we are going to review some spelling words from last week. When, pumpkin, among, months, lunches. Let's say the words again with me. When, pumpkin, among, months, lunches. When can we go outside to play? Pumpkin. We got a pumpkin to carve it for Halloween. Among. The bees were buzzing among the flowers. Months. There are 12 months in a year. Lunches. We packed our lunches for the field trip to the zoo. Here are our new spelling words. Even, talent, legally, honest, finally. Please say them with me this time. Even, talent, legally, honest, finally. Even. The number 2 is an even number. This word also means equally. Talent. He had a talent for playing the piano. Legally. Legally, we had no business going in there in the first place. Legally. Honest. He was honest about forgetting his homework. Honest. Finally. He finally finished his work after doing it for an hour. Finally. Here are 5 more spelling words. Equally, product, panic, focus, totally. Please say these with me. Equally, product, panic, focus, totally. Equally. The children will equally divide up the chores. Equally. Product. The soap was a product that was sold at the store. Product. Panic. There was a panic on their face when he dropped the dish. Panic. Focus. The students will focus on their work during class. Focus. Totally. This is totally my fault. I did not mean to spill the milk. Totally. These are the long vowel names. A, E, I, O, U. Do you remember Mr. A, Mr. E, Mr. I, Mr. O, Mr. U? When we look for the sound for these words during the spelling sort, remember the sound sounds just like the letter does. The last thing we're going to go over is this new suffix, ly. Wait, there's a few more things I want to teach you. What types of syllables have these vowel names? These are open syllables. Open syllables. How do we quick code these? With a straight line on top. Which long vowel name do you hear in each word that I say? Island. That's right. That's Mr. I. Able. A. Easel. E. Ocean. O. Unicorn. U. Basic. There's an A in there. Basic. A. Legal. E. Legal. Good job. Now we'll move on to the LYs. So the key word to remember for the LY is kindly. This changes the words to adverbs that describe the verb or adjective. So basically, how does the keyword help us remember the function? So you're going to use this to describe an action. So listen to this sentence. He kindly gave his grandmother some flowers. So gave is the action, and you're describing the action by saying kindly. Can you relate these words to the function? Frequently, locally, legally, finally, evenly. They all have an ly at the end, and they're describing an action. So now it's time for our word sort. Let's do a few together, then I would like you to do this on your own and submit it to Shobi. Let's try the first one together. Even. Where would even go? If you said long E, you are correct. It would go under the first column. Even. Good job. Let's do the next one. Talent. Talent. Is that a long A or a short A? If you said short A, you're correct. So talent would go down here with short A. So the beginning of our units, we started on short vowels. So you're going to review those, but then also add in your long vowels and any schwas you hear. We will go over this in class, and I'll be checking your work on Shobi to see if you understand and get it correctly. Please let me know if you have any questions.